In this video, I want to show you how to replace your headlights. So, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is pop the hood open from inside and then finish opening it up from out here. That way you can reach all of the fasteners for the headlight, and the procedure is going to be the same for both sides. I'm only going to show you the passenger side. Right off the bat, we have two visible 10mm bolts over here. Remove both. At the top, there's a 7mm bolt. Hidden at the bottom of the headlight is another 10mm bolt. Let's get that one. At this point, you can grab the headlight assembly and you have to pull straight out. It's held on by two clips on the fender. Oh, okay, there's one. Once you have it broken free, you just try to twist it until it comes out of here. I'm going to flip it around so you can see the bulb removal. Turn all of them counterclockwise. I don't want to disconnect the socket from the bulb because I need to transfer the bulbs anyway, so I might as well just take them off of the assembly. For the main headlight bulb, if you can't do it by hand, mine's pretty stuck. I'm just going to use some pliers and gently twist it counterclockwise, just like this, and it should come right out. Be careful not to touch this bulb with your bare skin. It will burn it out way faster from the oils on your skin. And here's the old headlight assembly. Set this on the side. Let's get the new one in. Take your new assembly and let's install the bulbs. The main headlight bulb, slide it in and twist it clockwise to lock it. Then your marker light. And twist that one. And finally the turn signal bulb. All right, flip the headlight upright and let's slide it in position. Make sure it lines up with the tabs on the fender. Once you know it does, tap it in. Let's put in the lower bolt. And then the two side ones. And don't forget about the little 7mm at the top. All right, now I strongly recommend doing the same thing to the other side, and then let's go ahead and align the headlights.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.